Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a good day. It is hump day and I got a little something in the mail to help me over my hump. So as you all know, if you're in the journaling community, this blue envelope means I got something from Chic Sparrow. I took advantage of the 40% off retired leather sale because not too long ago, in just a recent video, I showed you my trifold Sojourner B6 Slim. And instead of putting in my cafe notes, I decided to put in, because it fits, my 5-year Midori, I think it is. Yeah, my Midori 5-year journal into my trifold for Sojourner. Absolutely love it. It fits quite well. I love how it protects the outside pages of this journal, and I really do like this journal. I did roll this one to make it a little bit softer. I haven't put anything yet into the side pockets, but be that as it may, because I took the appropriation of using this for the Cafe Nanami notes is a B6 Slim. I needed to get another replacement, and Chic Sparrow fulfilled that need with the recent 40% off retired leather notebook sale. Excuse me, so sorry. So I ordered this. It has arrived today. Shipping actually happened quite quickly. So because this is a sale item, it's no returns, no exchanges, so I'm hoping that I like this. I cannot actually remember what leather I bought. Sorry, too much life is happening right now. So, oops, move that to the side. And the regular, I like this little thank you chickadee thing. The new packaging has come through with the new card. Really like the new card. I like the rebranding that Jennifer and team have done on Chic Sparrow with the product warranty. And I have a new sticker. I think you'll see previous videos where I was like, can I get another sticker other than the baby oak? So this one says, plan doesn't change the plan, but not the goal. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but not the goal. That is the wonderful new sticker. I appreciate that because I think that's a wonderful saying. And I think I've got my invoice. Oh, good. So I can tell you exactly what I've got. I ordered a couple of stickers as well. I did the Heritage Austin Happy Accident with removable pin loop in a B6 Slim size. Say that a couple of times fast after you've had a couple of pints of beer. Oh my word. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like this brown. I think that this one will, and I got a dashboard insert as well. So I have all of this in here. Let me bring out my Nanami Cafe notes. I'm hoping everything will fit. I think it will. And I'm trying to see if I can use this size notebook for my bullet journal, because I'm realizing with my G-Bone Touch-O, which I like the size of it, but I'm finding that planning in it, I need a little bit more space, and I want to have the flexibility of increasing my weeklies if I want to increase them, and I think I'm going to have to go back to bullet journal to do that. So I've got my, this is my insert, my dashboard, and I got a couple of feathers so that I can place them on here. So I got this, which I'll probably, somehow put them in a whole bunch of other stickers that I've got. I decided to get one of her dashboards because it seems like it's such a good fit for this, and I think it'll work a lot better, and I can put some decorative paper on the inside like so. Yep. And then move my, trying to find the halfway point off camera, roughly speaking. Oh, I really like this. I was going to do hand stitch leather tee, which, by the way, that shop is up and functioning quite well, and it fits perfectly. And I like the ideal of having this removable pin loop, in my journal. I don't mind the white stitching, given it gives a nice little contrast punch to the overall aesthetics. Here's the thickness factor. So I've got some other inserts that I've ordered from Etsy, and so I'm really looking forward to this, but I really do like this color. I think hopefully this one, hold on just a second. I'm just checking to see if this is, I think this is a vegan tan leather. So I was asking for some fat rolls on this, and I've got a little bit with right here in this line right here. I've got some up in here, just really faint. I've got this little imperfection, which I don't mind because it's going to get that anyhow just by utilizing the journal. But this is perfect. I'm very happy. Very, 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 very happy. And I like this cord color. It's not, you know, a black. I was debating on getting another Sojourner, which I probably will for my A5, but I even like these pockets over here. I didn't care if my pockets were this way or if they were cascade. I just wanted pockets, and now that I know that I have pockets, I'm a happy camper. And the fact that I can stick, if I wanted to, 2 more inserts into this really is a winner for me. I have, again, a slight imperfection on the pocket, and I must say, you know, ordering from Chic Sparrow and getting stuff that's slightly happy accidents, I feel like that's the way to go, because it makes it so much more affordable, especially if you want to order more than one. I find that this pin loop, even though it's removable, is really quite snug. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is the little tabbing section that stops it from, you know, sliding out of the side. But if I didn't want the pin loop, then it just, everything fits flush. But I actually do like the pin loop, and I like the location on where it's at. So let me put this back in here. Yeah, I think that these kind of journals with their little flaws or imperfections, I don't mind them. I find that, and I think that the price point, especially when you can get something at 40% off of regular cost, so instead of this being like, you know, $175, it was like $101. I feel like it's kind of worth, you know, saving the money for. If you want it imperfected or unflawed, perfect. If you can get anything perfect these days, you know, go for it. But I don't mind it, and especially when it helps me obtain maybe another one this year, I find that to be a really good deal. Really liking the size of this. I can see myself kind of like just taking this one on the go with me if I wanted to. So the goal right now is to maybe use this one as a bullet journal or some kind of planner that I can kind of write in, but I think that this is going to work. All right, that's all I've got. Let me know if you like this journal. Give me, excuse me, if you liked this unboxing, give it 2 thumbs up. Leave your comments below and any suggestions. I'm going to get a glass of water because I'm getting really hoarse. Have a good day. Take care and stay safe. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.